Combat Camp 2024 is fast approaching and we can't wait. Will you be this year's Champion of Champions? The weekend spread out over 2 days and this is the Saturday, and there's challenges for children and adults. It's obviously optional and you can pop along to take part in all the other activities over the weekend. There's also a market there that's full of historical goods as well as general spiritual items and all things of an alternative nature. And this is a little stall that Nimue helps out on. She absolutely loves it, and every camp she will go and just help out on this stall. She takes her role very seriously, may I add.
30 seconds and you beat me.
So she's 30 seconds from 28?
Yeah.
Are you going to keep going for the 30?
Well, you've got it now.
That's it, you've got to now.
There you go, you just hit 32.
I think you should go for 33 and stick it to the
Wouldn't surprise me.
And then you'll say that's an odd number, so I have to do 34.
Getting it.
1 minute.
The points from all of the activities get added up together over the weekend, and there's tons to join in from. We've got the ropes here, which Willow is beautifully demonstrating for us. Just goes.
It's a bit too late for
You
that.
made your bracelet, let's see.
I think the limit
Wow.
should be 15 and then...
And Willow really did smash this one. She absolutely knocked it out of the park, and I can't wait to see what she's going to do this year. She's pitting against the adults this year, so she's been training hard for it. There's lots of workshops throughout the weekend as well, in addition to the actual combat side of things. As you saw before, Nim made a bracelet. You can also choose to join in the full contact combat competitions as well. And here we're using soft kit. Again, all the scores are added up to see who will be Champion of Champions. There's also archery. Unfortunately, I didn't get many archery shots last year. I'll have to rectify that this year. So the competition varies. There's lots of different activities, and again, it is optional. It's like a unique twist on a sports day, but we all absolutely love it. And once you've been once, you'll want to come every year. It's just one of those camps that you can't help but look forward to and return to. This is Nimue having a go with the ropes, bless her, and then Anthony having another sword fight, and they're using long swords here. Again, these are all foam and everything as well. Safety is the highest priority.
Ready? Get set! Go!
Go on, Anthony! And though this hill doesn't look steep, it is an absolute killer. There's no way I could get up there without being driven up there. And everybody joins in together. All the adults and the kids run up and down the hill together if they're physically able to. Anthony won. And everyone else did absolutely amazing as well. It's such a great weekend, it really is. There's also tug of war. We do a children's one, an adults one, and then adults against kids. Go on, Nim! Go on, Ant! And to be fair, it's the parents against kids ones that the children seem to enjoy the most. Although we do tend to cheat because everyone who's not taking part in the adults team will jump on the kids ones eventually. Just to make sure they win. As you can see, everyone gets involved. They're either cheering on from the sidelines or they're physically involved themselves. There's a kids quiz that also takes place as well as an adult one, and other activities such as belly dancing workshops and a variety of other workshops that take place on the day. There's also an evening ice deadfod that all the children can get involved in, and then once they've gone to bed, the adults do their performances as well, and you get a variety of performances every year. It's always amazing fun. The children love taking part and showcasing off all the talents, and everyone is so supportive.
I don't know how it came about. I must have slept without a doubt. I dreamt I took the shilling that day in Mullingar.
If there's a camp we never want to miss, it's combat camp, because it's absolutely amazing. The children love it, we love it, and it's such a great atmosphere for families. There's loads of home ed families that go as well. So if you want to book on, head on over and book yourselves on, because this truly is a camp like no other.